Welcome to English Conversation Hub, where we make learning English simple and fun. Today, we're starting a brand new series, English Through Pictures. I'll show you an image, describe it in simple English, and help you learn new words, phrases, and even practice speaking. Let's begin. This colorful illustration captures the lively energy of a busy city street. An elderly man with glasses, a woman in a yellow cardigan, are walking a brown dog on a leash. They appear to be enjoying a conversation. The woman in blue is handing a bouquet of red flowers to the woman in the yellow cardigan. It looks like a cheerful moment, possibly a celebration or a gift. A young woman in an orange top and jeans is walking across the pedestrian crossing, smiling at the group. A bright yellow taxi is waiting at the crossing. The driver is leaning out slightly, smiling, maybe talking to a passenger or someone on the street. The signal is green for pedestrians. The traffic light pole stands tall in the middle, clearly showing the walking signal. Tall skyscrapers, including a clock tower, rise in the background, setting the urban atmosphere. Trees line the sidewalk, giving the street a balanced mix of nature and structure. A boy wearing a yellow helmet rides a blue bicycle across the crossing. He looks happy and confident. In the foreground, a man and woman are sitting at an outdoor cafe table. The woman is surprised or excited, pointing at something on her phone while the man smiles and listens. Nearby, a waiter carrying a tray with food is serving another man who looks ready to eat. They are both smiling, suggesting a friendly exchange. A person on a scooter rides behind the crossing area, wearing a helmet and heading toward the background. Birds flying above and soft clouds in the sky add a peaceful touch to the bustling street. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more engaging conversations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned and take care.